So cooking hamburgers and steak on the grill, you don't want to bake them or broil them. You want to barbecue them. So you got to have a day when the wind's not blowing real hard, and you got to leave the top open, because if you close the top, what's going to happen is you're going to bake it all the way through. So as you see, I have them on the grill right now, and you see how they're cooking on the bottom side, but when it gets up to the middle there, I'm going to turn them over. I do them 4 turns. I'll wait till they cook good here, then I'm going to turn them over, and I'm going to cook them for maybe 3 minutes. Then I'm going to turn them over again the opposite way of the lines here, so I get a nice crisscross on the lines on the grill. And that way you don't cook them all the way through. If you close the lid and it makes the whole thing hot, then you're going to cook them all the way through. We want to cook them on the outside. And you're going to have hot spots on your grill, so you got to turn those down. See how this flaring up back there in the back, right over there? We're going to turn that down a little bit and try to make them all cook at the same time. But most grills are not like that. Most grills have hot spots. You have to learn your grill. So now I'm going to turn these bad boys over. Let's see if I can do it without making too big of a mess. See how it's got nice lines? Getting a little charred there. We want to turn them over one time, and we're going to cook them on this side for about 3 minutes. And then we're going to turn them over again. You see how this end's not as hot. So you see how this end's not as hot as this end. This end's cooking faster. So these are going to be a little bit more rare than these 4. So some people like them rare, some people like them cooked more. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to cook a little rare and a little, not well done, but done. Yeah, while I'm cooking and trying to do a little recording here, you can see we got a bobcat running around the neighborhood. They're beautifying our neighborhood, doing some sidewalks and stuff, which is a good thing. But it don't make for good background noise for the barbecue grill video. Anyway, these things are doing good. Look at that. Whoo, doggy. Look at that one over there. Oh man, yeah, that's looking good. See, now I've done let the grill get a little bit hot back there, so I'm gonna have to turn it down and get those away from that fire. But ooh, man, that makes for a good hamburger. It ain't even really cooking. It's looking like it is, but it's gonna take it a minute. Even with that, you want to get it crispy on the outside, not overcooked on the inside. That's the dealio. Turn them bad boys over. Those are probably done. Now we're cooking, baby. Gotta keep flipping and a dipping. Flipping and a flopping. They're about ready to come off of there. These might not be cooked quite enough. Some people like them a little bit more done. We'll just cook them a little bit more. We'll just cook them a little bit more. Got that hot spot back there. We're still cooking on the outside, not the inside. But if you close the lid, then you're going to really have a problem. Yummy. Ooh, I'm going to turn that off. Turn that right off. It's gonna melt my phone. Whoa. A little more done. And there you go. Juicy. Juicy. Now the grill's off. I gotta take these in. They're not overdone, but we got, look at that stuff boiling out of them, man. They're cooking. They're still cooking. Make sure you turn your gas off. Turn your gas off. We'll come out and clean the grill in a little bit. Just kind of have to cool down some. And that's it. I mean, it would kind of look like they burned a little bit, but they didn't burn. It's just crispy on the outside and medium rare on the inside, and they're perfect. So you guys have a great day. I have another video for you soon. This is Harold signing off, baby. Catch you later. Don't forget to watch your movies and TV shows on your Kodi Media Player, and go visit my website at worldtvondemand.com. I'm out of here.